Hello everyone, welcome to this video on temperature in a city which decreased from 25 degrees Celsius to 24.2 degrees Celsius. Find the percentage decrease. In this question, so percentage decrease will be as such. So you can see that Mr. Tan would then be to first write it down for presentation. Percentage decrease in the temperature equal the decrease from 25 to 24.2. I will need to minus them, and originally is 25. Then I will need to find the percentage, and this will give me 3.2%. We've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.